Welcome to whodouyknow.com Python Technical Quiz. This assessment has been designed to gauge your proficiency in Python programming language and evaluate your knowledge of its key concepts and features. Whether you are a seasoned Python developer or just starting in the world of Python development, this quiz aims to provide insights into your understanding of the language and increase your chances of success in passing the first round of screening. You can learn the answers to the quiz at the end of this video. Good luck! Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Ready for the first question? Which keyword is used to define a function in Python? A. Func. B. Define. C. Function or D. Def. Ready for the next question? How do you comment a single line in Python? A. // comment. B. / comment */ C. #comment or D. Comment. Are you ready? Here's the next question. What is the output of print 2 + 2 / 3? A. 8. B. 10. C. 12. Or D. 14. In search of opportunities or wish to post your open positions, please visit our website, whodouyknow.com. The next questions are at an intermediate level. What is the purpose of the super function in Python? A. To call the parent class constructor. B. To access superclass methods. C. To create a new instance of a class or D. To declare a class as a subclass. Ready for the next question? What is the purpose of the zip function in Python? A. To compress files. B. To create a zip archive. C. To combine two or more iterables element-wise, or D. To extract files from a zip archive. Ready for the next question? How do you raise a custom exception in Python? A. Raise exception. B. Throw custom exception. C. Throw exception. D. Raise custom exception. Ready for the next question? What is the global interpreter lock, GIL, in CPython? A. A lock used for file operations. B. A lock used for thread synchronization. C. A lock that prevents multiple threads from executing Python bytecodes at once. Or D. A lock that prevents multiple processes from accessing the interpreter. Ready for the next question? What is the purpose of the Asyncio module in Python? A. To handle asynchronous I/O operations. B. To create graphical user interfaces. C. To perform mathematical operations, or D. To manage network sockets. The next questions are at an advanced level. What does the __slots attribute in a Python class do? A. Defines the slots in memory for class instances. B. Restricts the attributes a class can have to a predefined set. C. Enables dynamic addition of attributes to class instances, or D. Specifies the inheritance hierarchy of a class. Ready for the next question? How is memory managed in Python? A. Through manual memory allocation and deallocation. B. Using a garbage collector. C. By the operating system, or D. Through static memory allocation. Well, how do you think you did? Check your responses against the correct answers provided in the description below. Take note of the areas where you excelled and those that may require further exploration. Assessing your performance in this quiz can serve as a valuable self-assessment, helping you identify strengths and areas for improvement in your Python development knowledge. If you found this quiz helpful and informative, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to leave a comment with any thoughts or suggestions. If you are seeking opportunities or aiming to post your available positions, kindly visit our website. Post for free,